Should be recording. Hello everyone. I am Xinbin. I am a final year PhD based in PSI, and today I'm going to talk about how to make academic poster in terms of graphic design. Sorry I can't be there in person today, and this is a pre-recorded video. So sometimes when you go to those poster events, the first sight you see people's poster is not what the research are, it's actually the layout. So it's really important to get a attracting layout so people can stop by and actually read it through and get to know what your research is about. So today all the poster making will be based in PowerPoint because it's quite easy to use, and we can just also borrow a lot of different shapes and template from other people's PowerPoint slides. And when you're making a academic poster, the size is usually A0. So you have to you have to create this file first with A0 size. It can be either portrait or landscape, but I often find that portrait is more common. So this tutorial workshop will be in portrait. So first of all, you have to have your title. You have to say what your titles are. So for the heading, we will have first of all, you have to put University of Manchester logos in because we are in University of Manchester, and you put your title in the heading, then your author list and the institution. And sometimes people also have this bottom part. It's like corresponding to the top part. And in this part, you can put your contact and your fundings and other information you not directly related to research into here. And today we're going to talk about how we fill in this middle part, this empty part. So first thing first, you have to make your poster readable. So you have to have big enough text. What I find is for titles, for each section, it's better to have it. So the minimum is 60 point. You have to be bigger than this so people can see it from a meter away. And for the main text is usually, I would say minimum is 40 point, but people won't really read your main text, I would say, because you will be presenting it. So I think poster is more like showing your figures and some bullet points. And there are two types of common layouts. One of them is centered, where you have a thing in the middle, then all the contents are built around it or kind of spreading out. And another one is like a flow chart where you just show things one by one. It can be from top to bottom or left to right. So this is a template I just made today to show how centered template would look like, where we have a thing in the middle. It can be a different sections of your research, or it can be a timely order, how you make samples, or what else your idea how to fill in. And for each section, we fill in the figures and your text. Hopefully you will get your text ready. You already have your text ready. And sometimes you do need to increase, get longer or cut your text to fill in those space. Just don't be scared if you need to cut part of it. And also just a reference, the title here is around 60 point, 66 actually. And the text here is 40 point. You can see it's already not that easy to read from this distance. So I would say it's better to just keep all the text as bullet point and just make them bigger, because hopefully you will be standing next to your poster and talk to people. That's how that's when you actually explain all your bullet point instead of putting long text into the poster. And this is another types of layout where you just have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 section of things from top to bottom. You can use this for literature review introduction and your own research, then future plan. This is really good for timely order of things. And the next thing I wanna talk about is kind of like cheating by using other people's template. So of course I didn't make all those shapes. It will be really time consuming to just make that ourselves. So I kind of just borrowed other people's stuff. So if you search free template, you can just get them. I'm not sure about the copyright thing, but for those template downloaded, we can just get all those shapes in vector file, so you can zoom in as many as you want, as much as you want. So this is one of the templates I downloaded. I really like this bulb. And if we look through it, we can see this is a nice pencil. We can use them. We can use this shape in our posters. And also, if we rotate this 90 degree, it will be really nice for a title, for a section title. And this, for example, this is also would look nice if we put that in the middle of your poster. And this is another one. So this one is more colorful. And also for those, you can just kind of copy and paste into your own poster. If you want to get them in a bundle, just remember to group them first, then copy and paste. Drag all of them into your poster. And yeah, from this one, we can also see there's some really useful shapes for this one. This one is really good, I guess, for sample preparation. And also, I don't like that one. This one, you can put them into your poster. And I like that one too. And this one, actually, we have a template based on this one. So with all the shapes if you have all the shapes, you can just mix your idea with those shapes together and create your own poster. So let's go back. So that's the pencil one. So that's just a pencil. I directly copy and pasted from that file. And yeah, we can just kind of expand it and put a few sections around it. You can move it across, adjust it by yourself. And also, this is also a nice one. This is like a roadmap where you can just talk through one by one, 5 steps. And also, you might recognize this. This is also from one of the files. Just copy and paste directly from them. And of course, this is also copy and paste from those free template. Yeah, so it's really useful to download this free template and use elements from them. And also, the next thing, the next trick is about colors. So when people see it from 10 meters away, they can't see anything apart from colors. So that's why I'm really keen on putting colors into my poster. So this is some really nice color combo website. So this is one of them. You can see some really nice colors. So if we get those, each one of them will show in this hex. Is that hex? Yeah, this hex code where you can just copy directly into PowerPoint and change the color into that one. So this is a rainbow color scheme I found, and so where is it? So this is the original one I showed you at the first. Then we can just change these colors into a more colorful one. Just in case of some of you don't know how to do this. So it's usually a shape. So when we click that shape, we will have a shape format here. Then shape fill, when we say more color, then in the costume tab, we get the color we want to change that into. Just copy, make sure that's hex. So also that's hex code. So just copy directly into that. And okay, you have that color. And also you can, it really depends on what color you like. For example, I also like this one. I also like this skin, which is blue and yellow. And you can just change that color scheme into this one, and it would also look nice. Yep. And so in conclusion, your poster size is this one, which is A0, and the heading and ending, and you can borrow shapes from those free templates, and just borrow colors as well from those color schemes from that website. And today there will be some nice posters actually in person in that room. So you can also check those, check the layout and how they make it look nice. But I would say apart from this, you will also need to practice how you talk through your poster. That's another thing to get you a higher score if you want to win an award. Yeah, just stay by your poster when doing poster session and talk to everyone passing through. Yes, that's all. So from graphic design point of view, that's all my experience in that. And thank you for listening. See you next time. If you need any of the template, you can I don't know, ask one of the SPIE community members. I'll share this. Yep. Right, I'll see you next time.